Welcome back to the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show, and today's show is called Dr. Jeffrey Tauth ED Simple Stress Fixes for Heart Health. And trust me, it's juicier than your cousin's peach cobbler. Let me hit you with something that'll make your morning coffee taste bitter. Chronic stress is literally breaking your heart, and I mean that in the most unromantic way possible. We're talking a 40% increased risk of heart disease. Yep, entirely true, I can't make this stuff up. But here's the plot twist that'll make your cardiologist do a happy dance. 3 simple daily habits can flip the script and protect your heart starting today. First up, let's talk about the breath reset. Now, I know what you're thinking. Doc, breathing? Really? That's your big medical breakthrough. But hold your horses there, smarty pants. Deep breathing for just 2 minutes activates your parasympathetic nervous system like flipping a switch on a Ferrari. It slows your heart rate and drops cortisol levels faster than your blood pressure reading drops when you see your insurance copay. Here's the magic formula. It's called 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Think of it like a cardiac cocktail. Shake well, don't stir. Do this morning, lunch, and before bed. Your heart will go from feeling like it's running a marathon in stilettos to cruising on a Sunday drive. But breathing is just the beginning, and if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear this next one. Movement medicine. And no, I'm not talking about turning yourself into a gym rat who grunts at mirrors. Even 10-minute walks reduce stress hormones for hours. Yep, hours. It's like your body has a built-in pharmacy, and walking is the prescription that keeps on giving. Movement pumps fresh blood to your heart and brain like a premium oil change for your cardiovascular system. Park further away, take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk during phone calls. I had a patient who started pacing during his work meetings. His colleagues thought he was having some kind of executive breakdown, but his heart thought he'd won the lottery. Consistency beats intensity every single time when it comes to heart protection. You don't need to become an Olympic athlete, you just need to move like you actually have places to go. Now, here's where many people get stuck. And it's the one thing that might surprise you more than finding out your teenager actually cleaned their room. The connection factor. Social isolation increases heart attack risk more than smoking. Let that marinate for a minute. Your lonely heart isn't just a country song, it's a medical emergency waiting to happen. What are simple ways to reduce stress for better heart health? Start with human connection. Your smartphone doesn't count as a friend, even if Siri knows your deepest secrets. Text one friend daily, eat meals without devices like it's 1995, join one group activity. Maybe it's a book club, maybe it's a walking group, maybe it's complaining about the weather with your neighbors. I don't care what it is as long as it involves actual human beings. Your heart literally beats stronger with strong relationships. It's like having a personal cheerleader squad for your cardiovascular system. Let me share how this combination saved my patient's life. And when I tell you this story, you're going to want to call someone immediately. 52-year-old executive, blood pressure so high I thought my equipment was broken, headed straight for bypass surgery faster than a Black Friday shopper toward a sale rack. This guy was wound tighter than a $2 watch. We started simple, 5-minute morning walks while calling his brother. That's it. Added some desk breathing between meetings like he was sneaking vegetables into a kid's meal. 6 months later, his blood pressure was normal, no surgery needed, and he looked 10 years younger. But here's the kicker. He told me the phone calls with his brother were the real game changer. They'd been estranged for years, and those walking conversations healed more than just his heart. If you're sitting there thinking about someone you haven't talked to in a while, maybe I should see you in the clinic, we need to talk. Here's your actionable takeaway, and I want you to do this before you even think about checking your email. Pick one, just one, a 2-minute breathing session, a 10-minute walk, or text one friend. Do it right after this podcast ends, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Your heart will thank you immediately, and trust me, your future self will send you a thank you card. This has been the Dr. Jeffrey Tauth Heart Talk Show. Until next time, stay healthy. And remember, if you're looking for answers, check out drjeffreytauth.us.com. Later, y'all.